In this video, we'll be going over how to use Read and Write for your Windows computer, specifically how to use the reading features. The reading programs we'll go through today are for Word, PDF documents, and the Internet. So we'll begin here with Word. All you need to do with Word is click wherever you want to start reading from. So I'm going to click at the start of this paragraph here, and then press the play button.
Although most people consider piranhas to be quite dangerous, they are, for the most part, entirely harmless.
So as you can see, it will read through. It will continue to read through the document until there's nothing left. I pressed the stop button to stop it there, but you could also press the pause button, so I'll try that here. Press play.
Although most people consider piranhas to be
press
quite
pause.
dangerous.
It'll pause on that word dangerous where I pressed pause. If I want to resume, I can just press the pause button again.
Dangerous, they are.
And then to stop, I'll press stop.
Entirely.
So it's as simple as that with Word. You just use those three buttons to stop and start it. With PDFs, it's slightly different. So what we do for a PDF document, it's any document with the .pdf at the end of it. For those ones, we just find the PDF button on the Read and Write toolbar. It's called the PDF Allowed button if you hover over it. We'll click on that. It will ask us to find the file on our computer, so I'll go to my desktop and then use that example PDF. Once in the PDF, what you have to notice for reading here is it has this click to speak button here at the top. Right now it's on, it's green. So you can use this to click on what you want to read. So I'll just click on this first word here.
Although most people
and it'll
consider
continue
piranhas
reading.
to be quite
I'll press
dangerous.
stop now. So you can click anywhere in this writing and it will read it aloud. If you don't like that feature, you can turn it off by just clicking on it. And then you can click and highlight as you would a regular document. But you can also highlight what you want to read here and then press the play button.
Although most people consider piranhas.
So you can highlight and press play as well. So if you still want to read without having that click to speak button on, you can. The very last thing is to read the web. So I've opened the internet here. The only requirement for reading the web is that you have this Read and Write Chrome extension installed. So I'm going to add that here. If you don't have it already installed, it will prompt you. It will pop this page open. If you're having any trouble getting this working, please feel free to contact your assistive technologist. So I've opened a web page here for some reading. And very similar to the PDF document, all I have to do is highlight what I want to read and then press play.
Honey is a sweet
and then it will read it aloud.
Made by
press stop. This might work with a lot of websites, but it also might not work with everyone. If you're having any trouble getting a certain website to read or working correctly, please feel free to contact your assistive technologist with any sort of concerns you may have. But that's how to use all of the reading features for Read and Write on Windows.